So head on to Adopt OpenJDK website. You can get JDK from different websites, but I will advise that you can get from Adopt OpenJDK. Like I said, I am going to download OpenJDK 11. There are different options and you are free to download any other version as long as it is not older than this version. So from JDK 11 up, you are fine and good to go. After downloading and installing, go to your C drive and go to Program Files. You should see Adopt OpenJDK as one of the first folders, and then you can see the Java folder inside. I have installed other Java versions before. That's why you see multiple. Go into the Java folder and go into bin. Now what we want to do is to copy the address of this bin folder. And after copying it, we head over to Control Panel. So go to System and Security in Control Panel. Then you go to System. Then on the left, go to Advanced System Settings. Then you'll see a pop-up. In the bottom, click on the Environmental Variable button. Voila. Now, the address we copied, we want to paste it in the path variable. So double click on the path variable. We want to add a new entry. So click on New and we paste the address we copied. That's it. That's the first thing we need to do. I already have it before, so I don't need to add it again. The next thing we need to do is to copy the address of the Java 11 folder. What we did before was to copy the address of the bin by entering into the bin. For now, we just want to copy the address of the whole folder. Then we go to System Variable and create a new entry. The name of the entry is Java Home. So in caps locks, Java_home. And for the value, paste the address to that folder. After that, we are good to go. Open Command Prompt and type Java space then -version. What this command does is asking your system what Java is installed here. If you see an output, then you're good to go. You can also type JShell. If you see an output, we are ready to rumble. We are going to be using JShell extensively.